Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, collection template pages allow each CMS item to have its own dynamic page. So in today's video, I will show you how to create a collection template page in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way to webflow.com. Tap on this link. It's gonna take you all the way to basically so you can log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go and open the pages panel. Go to pages in the left sidebar, then select a collection template by clicking the template page linked to the CMS collection. So as you see guys, we are on this designer. We're gonna go to pages here. You have home, about, contact, and multiple options. So as I told you, select a collection template. We have this as CMS collection pages, blog post, product images, and all of this. So it's time now to design the layout, add headings, images, and even a text element. Connect the CMS fields, bind elements to the CMS fields, then style the template. Customize font, spacing, and even layout. All you got to do is, for example, tap on this heading. It will show you the style, the settings, interactions, clicking, hovering, scroll, or whatsoever. Multiple options here. You can even add something. You can add a text. You can show all of the settings. You can basically create a component, unwrap, and do multiple options here. Same goes for this page as well. You can basically change whatever you want. So after being fully done, preview multiple items using the preview option to check different CMS items, then publish your site using this publish button. Publish your selected domains, and that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.